webinar to generate leads? I can almost hear you rejecting the idea of webinars because, well, whatever you can think of. Either what if the turnout is poor, I am not comfortable showing my face, I am shy, I am too old, I can't do this, I am too new, maybe next time. Or like, what if I am not engaging enough and people leave? I will be disappointed. What happens if I encounter technical difficulties? I am not tech savvy and I can't handle it. There's just a lot of what ifs, right? But what if I told you that the pros far outweigh the cons? Will you be open to at least hear from what I have to say before turning away and saying no? Hey guys, this is Sonia speaking, and thank you for joining us again. So in this video, I will be sharing about how a successful webinar can bring you much success and sales down the line if you place your focus on engaging and interacting with your audience rather than selling to them. By the end of this video, you will understand the potential of webinars having to attract new leads from around the world, as well as help you interact with your audience in new and more personal ways. If you haven't tried hosting a webinar yet, maybe the following reasons to add a webinar to your marketing strategy will actually convince you. I will be sharing 8 pointers with you to help you get started. So, connecting with more customers. Well, just like how videos are shared with the potential to turn viral, probably, and also like more than text content, webinars are highly rated than other types of educational material. So webinars are a little bit more personal, although they can be recorded and be replayed later. Just by participating in the webinar, you can already see their face, and hence you could already build that first step into establishing that trust. So the second point, establishing your expertise. If you need a way to demonstrate what you know, webinars are a great way to go. Preaching what you know has long been an authoritative way on a subject, but doing it online is even easier than standing on a platform in a big event hall. Both are fun and useful, but webinars have some advantages over in-person events because you can do them from anywhere to anyone. Developing new information products. What I mean is, because of the ability to record webinars, you can use them as information products in the future. Not only you can sell the recordings as is, but you can also transcribe the recordings and turn them into ebooks. That sounds good, right? Basically, killing two birds with one stone. So first, you use the webinar to connect with others, and then you use your webinars as a content to send it to your audience. The next point would be cost. Well, there are softwares like Adobe Connect and GoToMeeting that can be quite pricey. So Adobe Connect's webinar package starts at about $130 per month, and GoToMeeting basic package starts at about $10 per month. If you're just starting out and you don't want to commit to monthly subscriptions, check out the link below for a full-fledged online webinar solution software at a one-time payment of only $17, no monthly subscription to worry about. And this software actually comes with a built-in autoresponder for automated webinar reminders. And this automated webinar reminders is a separate feature usually with other software. So on other softwares, it's considered as a separate add-on feature that you will pay for as an extra. Within this software itself, you can actually host unlimited video meetings, live conferences, or webinars on a cloud infrastructure. You can create and stream whiteboard videos. There's unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption to protect you, your privacy, and your personal data. You can stream recorded videos if you don't want to be live yourself. It's less intimidating, probably, for you. And do video calls with friends, clients, business partners with zero lag and in crisp quality. You can run live, simulated live, or pre-recorded webinars. And there is a built-in autoresponder for automated webinar reminders, which is pretty handy, I would say. You can send any link to any offer to all of your attendees with just one click. And you can share any files between attendees while being live in the webinar. This is definitely 100% newbie friendly. It also comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, as well as a 24/7 support desk if you need anything. There is a product demo video to watch if you're interested. Moving on to my next point. All right, easily engage your audience. There are many types of features you can use to engage your audience well, such as the ability for your audience to ask questions directly during the event, and the ability to delegate control of the speaker for guests. Not to mention that the ability to share screens and watch videos together. Ease of reuse. Audio recording makes webinars easy to reuse. Turn questions into blog posts, split existing videos online, turn webinar recordings into books, etc. The sky is the limit. So you can even cut and edit into short YouTube videos and post it on YouTube. Well, this is also a great way to connect with others. Webinars themselves, with an open chat window, are a great way to network and connect with others. In addition, preparing for the events, finding guests, and joint venture partners will help you in your business connection. Remember, even if you are a solo entrepreneur right now, know that a good business is not a business done alone. You need to network and connect with others. Next, it is not hard to do actually. It is not that difficult to get started, and if by the end of this video you still don't think that you are up for this, you have to reason out within yourself that there are many reasons why webinars work better than any other marketing models to drive engagement, build lists, and drive sales, as well as improve your business. You'll make more money by hosting webinars and adding webinars to your marketing strategy that you'll wonder why you didn't start doing them sooner. So thank you for staying till the end of the video, and as a bonus, we have prepared a step-by-step video marketing guide for you. Just click on the link below to access it for free. It will be at your advantage just because there are many people who do not want to do it for whatever reasons or excuses. You can jump right in and make all the difference. You will learn all about video marketing, YouTube, video creation tools, ways to use and repurpose your videos online, ways to profit from your videos, and of course, video marketing mistakes to avoid. If you want to find out more about the full-fledged online webinar solution software and tutorial pack with a ton of free bonuses that comes along with it, click on the link below to watch a product video demo showcasing its capabilities. That's all for today, and please subscribe to us if you haven't done so, and it will help support our channel's YouTube algorithm, and also share this video with your friend. I'll be signing off, and take care.